The G82 M4 is an extremely capable car, but the ride height doesn't exactly shout performance vehicle. So we're going to fix that with our stance kit, which includes a set of evolved springs and a set of spacers. So let's take a closer look at what we're going to be fitting today. We have a set of evolved springs. Now these will lower the car 30mm all round. We did have these and developed them on our mint green G82 M4, and I was really happy with the way the car sat and rode for just springs on stock dampers. We also have a set of spacers. We usually do 15 front and 12 rear, but the customer wants slightly more aggressive offset on the rear, so we're going to fit a set of 15mm all-round spacers to this car. Once these are fitted, I'm going to take the car for a drive and share my driving impressions. So this is a completed look. It took us a little while to figure out how we wanted the car to sit on the springs, and I'm really glad that it came out this way, especially with the addition of the spacers. This is really how the car should have looked from the factory. They just sit too high and the wheels are too far inset into the arches. Let's jump in the car and take it for a drive, see what it's like. The aim with these springs was to get the car sitting at a level we were happy with, front and rear, which I'm glad to report we have, and also not to ruin the ride quality. The G82s ride really well from the factory, and didn't want to ruin the compliancy of them, and these don't. They are a little bit stiffer than stock, but still very comfortable. And again, I have mentioned this before, when we're doing springs on standard dampers, we're not claiming this as a handling modification. It's more of an aesthetic one, because the car sits so high from the factory and not everyone's got the budget to spend £2,000 plus on something like a MSS hybrid or KW has kit. So this is a great value option for people who want their car sitting really nicely, so it improves the looks, and the spacers obviously just bring out the wheels a little bit in the arches, and it just overall gives the car a really nice stance. And the design language on these cars just starts making more sense when you do a few little touches like we've done on this with the springs and spacers to fix the stance. And then you can do things like changing the grille to the OECSL like we've done, or the other options if you have the cruise control function. But yeah, this is typical English B road. It's handling the bumps really well, still handles like a G82 should, which is very well, and the ride is perfectly acceptable, if just a little bit stiffer than stock. So overall, really happy with this, and especially for the amount they cost, it's a really good option to fix the stance on your G82. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?